Just 3 dibbe. Personal, real or nomina. These are your 3 dibbe. If you can figure out the bucket, you automatically know the role. Personal doesn't just mean actual humans like Rahul or Aman. It absolutely includes artificial entities too. If an organization has its own legal identity, think Reliance Industries or SBI Bank, well, accounting treats them exactly like a person. You'll also see representative personal accounts like outstanding salary, but honestly for now, just lock this basic funda into your head. And that brings us to the very first golden rule. Debits the receiver, credit the giver. Ask, Bhai, tu le raha hai ya de raha hai? Brother, are you taking or are you giving? Let's actually look at the dual aspect of this. Say the business gives Rahul 10,000 rupees. What is Rahul doing in this scenario? He's receiving it, right? Wo receiver hai. So you debit Rahul's account. But let's flip it. Say Rahul gives the business 10,000 rupees. Now he's the one giving the money. Wo de raha hai. So you credit Rahul's account. Makes sense, right? Receiver, debit. Giver, credit. Honestly, real accounts deal strictly with the physical things your danda, your business, actually owns. We're talking cash, furniture, machinery, land. To make this super easy to visualize, I want you to imagine your business as a literal physical room. Whenever a transaction happens, just ask yourself, what physical assets are interacting with that room? Which leads us to the second golden rule. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Imagine you're standing right at the door of your business room. Just ask yourself, kya andar aaya or kya bahar gaya? What came inside and what went outside? Okay, let's play this out. Let's say your business just bought 20,000 rupees worth of furniture, and you paid in cash. Look at the room. Did furniture come in? Yes, it did. The rule is debit what comes in, so you debit furniture. Now, did cash go out to pay for that furniture? Yep. The rule is credit what goes out, so you credit cash. Nominal accounts track the kharcha, which are your expenses, and the kamai, which is your income. There are no physical items to look at here, and there's no specific person to talk to. We're just looking at things like paying the rent, paying your employees' salaries, or maybe receiving a nice commission. And here is your third golden rule. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. The logic here is basically pure emotion. You just have to ask, is the business hurting or is it happy? If money is draining out, if nuksan ho raha hai, the business is hurting, that's a debit. But if money is flowing in as income, fayda ho raha hai, the business is celebrating, it's happy, and that is a credit. So let's apply that emotion. Say the business just paid a salary of 10,000 rupees. Ouch. Salary is a cost, it's a kharcha. Our rule says debit all expenses, so boom, the salary account gets debited. Conversely, what if the business received a 5,000 rupee commission? Receiving a commission is kamai, right? That's awesome. The rule says credit all incomes, so the commission received account gets credited. Step 1. Identify the accounts involved. Step 2. Classify their bucket. Is it personal, real, or nominal? Step 3. Apply that specific bucket's rule. And step 4. Only then do you decide what's debit and what's credit. Don't believe me? Let's prove it with a tricky one that always confuses people. Purchased goods from Mohan on credit for $30,000. Okay, step 1. Identify. We have purchases and we have Mohan. Step 2. Classify. Well, purchases is an expense, so that's nominal. Mohan is a person, so that's personal. Step 3. Apply the rules. The nominal rule for expenses, debit them. The personal rule for Mohan, who is giving us the goods, credit the giver. Finally, step 4. Decide. Debit purchases, credit Mohan. See? Zero confusion. It works like magic. Think about it. If the target is a person, just ask who receives and who gives. Receiver is debit, giver is credit. If the target is property, ask what comes in and what goes out. Comes in as debit, goes out as credit. And if the target is profit or loss, ask if it's an expense or an income. Expense or loss is debit, income or gain is credit. Boom,